Good morning, children. Welcome to craft class. Today, ma'am will teach you something very special like paper clouds and rainbow. Okay, so for this, you need some things like scissors, glue, markers, red and black, pencil, scale, one white and few other colored sheets. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all, we'll take a white sheet and we'll make a cloud. What we'll make? We'll make a cloud on white sheet. Okay, so we'll draw like this. We'll draw the shape of the cloud. Okay, which shape? Shape of a cloud. Now, like this, we'll draw a cloud. Okay, then with the help of scissor, we will cut it. Okay, and see, I cut a cloud. Right, now what are we going to do? We have made a cloud with a white sheet. Now we need stripes to make a rainbow. So the very first thing, we'll take a red sheet and with the help of scale, we'll draw a line like this. We'll draw a line and with the help of scissor, we'll cut it like this. Look carefully, children. With the help of scissors, we'll cut a stripe. Okay. In the same way, we will take stripes of other colors also. Okay. To make a rainbow. Our cloud is ready and now we'll paste stripes. First of all, we'll take red color and with the help of glue, we'll paste it like this. We'll paste it. Red. Then we'll take orange color, orange, just by the side of red color. Yellow, now we'll be taking the yellow color like this. Green. Green. Now we'll take blue color. Now we'll paste it. Blue one like this. Now violet. Another color. In a rainbow, we have 7 colors. Now the last color. We'll paste it here with the help of glue. We'll paste it. Okay, see, our colorful rainbow is ready. And now with the black marker, we'll make a face. We'll make face. Okay. Eyes. We'll draw like this. Eyes. And with the red marker, I'll make a smiley. Smiling. So, cloud and our rainbow is ready. See, do you like it? See, like this. Do you like that? Yes. In the same way, you have to do this activity and do share your videos with your teacher. Thank you. Have a good